unions are marching across Trieste and Friuli Venezia Giulia on this May Day, as Italy's main trade unions united to call for stronger workplace safety measures.
Sure, we are the workers of the future, so it's important that we begin to understand that having a safe workspace and a safe environment in workplace, it's the basic thing.
For the worker, for the freedom of the work and the rights of the workers.
Safety measures in your workplace?
Oh yes, it's very important at the moment, the safety rules to follow also, because sometimes it's not possible to follow, and it's very important for all the people follow this rule for the safety.
Secondo lei le sue richieste, cosa bisogna dire?
In questo momento paghe più alte, più sicurezza sul lavoro, meno precarietà per i giovani.
With a 60% rise in fatal accidents so far this year, labor leaders urge the government to act, calling safety not as a cost, but essential investment.
Importantissima questa, guai non mancare.